everybody, so me and Dax have run over here to a little local lake. Gonna see if we can catch a few fish, and we're waiting on Tori to get out of school. We're gonna pick her up and gonna go to another lake and see if anything's biting. So give us a couple minutes, let's see what we find here. See if he'll come back or if he got our cricket. Oh, nope, he got it. Well, he didn't get our cricket either. It must have been a little fish. He was trying, wasn't he? Let's see what we got. He smashed that cricket pretty good. I think we'll put a fresh one on there. Hook in right there. Go down and come out right there and back in. All right, Dax, let's see if that fish comes back. You want to see if you can find us a grasshopper? Dax, look right around in this little area right here and see if you jump a grasshopper. We caught a couple the other day here. Dax has played with the minnows, and we caught no fish here, so Dax, give him a hat. It'll blow out if we leave it back here. We are about to go pick up Tori and go to another lake. Well, not dump out, dip out. Okay, well, climb up there. He's such a frog. Okay, so you got to hold this lid, and Grandpa's going to go to the other side, and you're going to swing it back to me, okay? Okay. So, get the lid. No, the lid. We got to get the lid over there. Don't throw it till I get over there. You got it? Okay. Okay, bring it to me. Okay. All right. Okay, yep, dip some up. Did you get some? Yeah. All right, give us one more net. Get one more net up. Okay, there you have it. We're gonna hook him through the nose, in one side and out the other. All right, Dax, we're gonna throw him in the lake. All right, let him be in there, rest until we're ready for him. All right, guys, so I'm hooking up a cricket here, right below his head, in the chest or thorax, and then down and coming out his abdomen just a little bit. Ready to go. Got some really small brim biting right now, and Dax is playing in the minnow bucket. 2 lakes and the first fish of the day. There's your bass coming by, Tori. Dax, look what I got. A fish, it's a bluegill. All right, so watch, Dax. This is how we take them off the hook. Watch. Oh boy. Okay, we're taking the fish off. Watch. You run your pinky down his back like that, and you take your thumb and hold down his other pins on the bottom. Then you pull him off. What are we gonna do with him? No, we're gonna put him in the big tank. Oh, maybe not. That was a fail. Whoo, it's a big one. Man, it is a monster, Dax. Oh man. Did his bite get? He didn't get you. You just didn't like touching him. Come on. No, hold your other hand up here. There you go. Put the thing right there. Now reel. Okay. Lift him up. Oh, you're on the stick. Pick up. Okay. Hold on. There's your first crappie, Dax. Ever? Yeah, first crappie ever. Okay. Okay. There you go. All right, crank him in. Get him. All right, pick it up. All right, that's good. All right, stop reeling. Okay, hold the rod.
Another crappie.
Yep, another crappie.
I don't know which one I'm going to get.
Okay. All right.
Ah, you
All right, catch me a minnow.
Minnow. What?
Tori, come down here.
Catch 2 minnows.
Yeah, I put her on these guys, bigger fish. You don't have to reel quite so fast, but get him on in. Okay, that's good. All right, stop. What number is that, Dak? 3. All right, look at that.
That's what we caught.
Yep. What is it, Dak? What kind of fish? It's a white crappie. All right.
Whoa, I see the white crappie. Oh, the big white crappie.
Reel that. Okay. Oh. All right, keep reeling. Okay, pick him up. Woo. There he is. You tell me what he is.
Oh, he's a white blue fish.
White crappie.
White crappie.
Yeah. Okay.
I
Good
want
job.
to take him off.
No, I better take
I'm
him
gonna
off.
hold him.
Okay, well, he's got sharp points right here and right here. So put him in your hand.
Oh.
He didn't hurt you.
Oh.
No, he didn't. Look, you just don't want to touch these fins. And those are sharp
He
too.
hurts me.
He's not going to. You hold him, his fins down like that, see, and he can't hurt you. Okay, let me see. Okay, you put your hand like that. Now give me your other hand. You got to roll that down. No, Dax, you got to roll it down. You got to roll it down. That's what I'm trying to show you. You got to pay attention to Grandpa. Okay, you're going to put your bottom hand. I see Jesse just got another one. Okay, put your hand up here now. I'm holding it down for you. Put it right there. Now you got it. You don't let him move. All right, what are you going to do with him, Dax? Okay, yeah, we're going to put him in the tank. Okay. Okay, we'll be back. You got a bite? Oh boy, here, take this one. Dang it, boy. No, there's a fish, Tori. Get him, oh, get him. Yeah, he's on there to get him out of that tree. No, on the other one. Dang it, man. Well, we got the bobber back. Yeah. Oh man, that's what we need. Put him in the tank.
It's because you put one in there when you caught it.
They got paper mouths though.
Yeah, they're real thin.
That's how they get off. When you hook them and you give them a little slack, the hook falls out.
Put that back in.
Okay. Did you turn your camera on? Two films in
I figured you'd rather catch, have the fish caught than the footage of the fish being caught.
There you go. Look at that. Beautiful. Eating food right there. Look at that. Look at that, Dax. Look at this big guy.
What kind is that, Dax? That's a bass. That's a bass.
What?
Mad Max.
Oh, I got it on the hook.
Giant. With a giant. I'm that giant guy that's flashing. Whoa!
Dax, don't be hurting the fish.
It's a big one. It's a big one.
Big one's gonna bite you. Jesse got the boot.
Put it in there. Dax. Yep, that's close enough.
You got a big one in there, Jerry?
Yeah, there's a pretty good sized one in here.
Oh, no, you lost one.
Oh, that's a big one.
That's the big one?
Yeah.
But I'm ready. Here, now.
Time to fly a little bit.
Go. Oh, you need me to cast it? Here. Probably have a bite before I get over there. Hang on, Dax, don't get blown away. As fast as I can get them baited up and thrown out, Tori is catching them and reeling them in. So we're not having any doubles. So only one of us is catching fish. I'm the bait boy. And she's got another one before I get this one unhooked. And what we were catching these for is tomorrow is Ag Day at the school. And we are gonna be, I'm taking an 80-gallon bait tank up there, one of my X-Treme Bait tanks, and we're gonna put it on the ground and we're gonna let the kids touch a fish and check out the fish. And of course, while I'm talking, I hooked that tree. And I had a bite. Let's see if I can get a fish and pull out of this tree. I've been decorating it for Christmas today. That one didn't seem too lively, but I think we'll get a bite on it. And we're just going to take these to this exhibit at the elementary school tomorrow, and then we'll bring them back and let them back in the lake. A lot of them are small crappie, so we'll let them grow. I see my Minnows, so he's still on there. Like I said, he wasn't real lively. But this guy liked him. All right, guys, well, that's the last fish of the day. We're getting out of here. Well, everybody, that was quite the day of fishing. We whacked them. And I'll show you what we got tomorrow in the tank when we get to the school and get it all straightened up and ready for the kids to come see. If you love fishing,